Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic project life cycle. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and it is a very basic concept of project management and we have taken this topic from PMBOK. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. Project life cycle. Friend, whenever we talk about project life cycle, basically every project has a life means that at some stage we think about a project to initiate. A project will initiate, then it will goes through the initiation stage, then the planning stage, then the implementation phase, and then the closing phase. So this is called as the concept of project life cycle. Like first it will start the concept, like we think that we have to do this project, then we go through the phase in which we think that how we will achieve that project, then we think that how to implement, we start implementing that project, and then after implementation we close the project. So initiation, planning, implementation, and then the closing. So these are the phases of a project. From every each and every project goes through it. Now friend, what is the phase of initiation? Friend, first of all, in the initiation phase we have to identify the business need, some issue, some problem, some pain area due to which we realize that we have to initiate a project. For example, APC company realized that their customers, they are losing their customers, so that they should have to shift to a new software technology. For example, just take it as an example. So friend, first of all, in the initiation phase we have to identify the business need, and according to the business need the solution or opportunity will create. Okay, so for example, we have one business need, and considering that business need we have to initiate a project which is basically a solution of a business need. So once the solution identified, we have to do the feasibility study that this solution can be implemented, this solution will solve the problem as well. So that is called as the concept of initiation phase. After the initiation phase, the planning phase came. Planning means that friend, in that phase we think that how we will achieve our goal, our objective, how we will implement the project, how many resources will be required, how many cost will be required, what will be the budget, what will be the time duration, what are the risks, what are the issues. So all these things will be documented here properly, and we have to make a project plan here as well. So project plan means which will cover all the requirements related to scope, time, cost, budget, resources, communication, risk, issues. So all these things will be properly planned, documented, and approved in this phase of planning. After the planning phase, the next phase is the implementation phase. Implementation phase means friend that in that phase we implement our project plan. Like for example, we decide that within 3 months we have to implement the e-commerce solution. So implementation means that actually we start developing the modules, and during the modules development we have to monitor and control the things as well. So during the implementation, monitoring and controlling should be very strict. We have to track that the project is progressing well or not, the cost is under control or not, schedule is under control or not. If things are not going well, things are going out of our hands, for example, things you are going ahead of a schedule, so that is good. But if you are delaying your schedule, you are over budgeting, so we must have to take the corrective action, so that project can be get back on the track. So all these things will be handled, implemented in the implementation phase. And then the next phase, last phase, is the closing phase. Closing phase means that friend, we close the things means we deliver the items to customer, we get the sign off from the customer, we release the resources, we make a lesson learned document in which we document that which things goes well, which things goes wrong, so that it can be helpful for other as well. So formally we close the project in that phase. So this is the last phase of a project life cycle. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.